from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Northport Light, Wisconsin until 5:15 p.m. At 3:21 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 nautical miles northwest of Cleveland to 39 nautical miles west of Milwaukee, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Port Washington. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.